everybody, Sarah Catherine Green of SKG Leather. I want to take a minute and show you my new riveted clutches. These clutches are made of a beautiful, really soft, thick black leather that's tanned in Maine. The hardware is all matte black, so it's really subtle, slim, velvety, wonderful. This is a great bag to fit your stuff for an evening if you're going to dinner or going to a show. But these are also really good to keep all of your essentials and slide into a larger day bag. Say you're on your way to work, you have your bigger bag with all of your stuff, a jacket, a water bottle, whatever. This slides in and out really easily, so if you need to run an errand and you don't want to take all of your stuff, just slide out your little clutch, you're on your way. So as you can see, this has some stuff in it. It's not packed. This can actually fit a good deal more, but let me show you what's in here at this modestly full level. Keys. Oh, what a fabulous key fob. Is that SKG Leather? Yes, it is. Phone. Earbuds. Not one, but two lipsticks. You can't have just one lipstick on you. Sunnies. And then you can see there's this inner pocket. The inner pocket is also riveted like the rest of the clutch with those matte black rivets. Super strong, super low key. And in here, I've got a good chunk of cash and cards. Well, not a good chunk of cash, but a lot of cards. And my little mirror. Hello. And like I said, these can actually fit a lot more than what I just showed you. They expand to fit quite a bit. There are 3 designs. This is the Sunrise. There's also the Confetti and the Strata. So I hope you check them out. Thanks for watching.